Part 3. This is a tutorial on how to add transparency textures into cycles. This is not the best way to add transparency textures in cycles, but this is my way how I do it. So let's just get right into it, Joe. Let me put my screencast keys on. There we go. So you see what I'm doing. First I'm gonna do, add the model real quick. Load OBJ, desktop, hair model. I use hair because it's a good example, perfect example for it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a mesh so I can see what I'm doing. Rotate with the Z-axis 90 degrees. No. Is rotate x-axis 90 degrees. Click, push Z and then push G and then Z, my bad. And then push G and then Y to move it back and forth. Give it a space. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna split the screen so we can see what we're doing on two screens. So go down here. Go to vertical split, right click and vertical split. You want to go back up here and go to shader editor. Push any key, use some more room. Come back in this field over here, and then we're going to click the hair piece. After we click the hair piece, let's go over here and change the cycles really quick. Change the cycles. So we can go, once we go in render mode, it looks much different. Boom. All right, let's give that little bit of some color to it so you can see what I'm doing. And let's give the world some light, so make it brighter. So you see what I'm doing. Also see what I'm doing. Perfect. All right. Once you have the light is set up and everything, so you can see, click your hairpiece one more time. All right, use scroll in. We're gonna go up here. We're gonna add a mix shader node. You plug it in right here. Just drop it down. It should just automatically fix it for you, just like that. Boom. Go back up here. Add a transparent BSDF right here. Drop it in right here. You take this green dial right here, it's going like a little like noodle, that's what it looks like. And you're gonna drop it into the shader editor right here. Boom. Once you do that, you see it messed up right here, it messed up the texture. Take this one and plug it in right here. Boom, just like that. It looks like this. This is how it looks like when it's about fixed. And the reason it looks like this is because you scroll back out. This texture over here, this is your base texture right here. You scroll in, you see this alpha node right here, this gray alpha node. You plug this gray alpha node into the factor value right here. And once you do that, it should work for you, like this. You see? And there it is, just that easy, y'all. And there you go. Transparency texture and cycles. Peace out, y'all.